GOEV Stock Analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Cano Incorporated stock is a buy or not for me. With GOEV Stock Prediction, I mean, it's quite simple for me. If you really look at it from a broader picture, you can see that the reality is that we have like a lot of like reverse splits. Like we had like times 23 the value, like the price in March 2024, and now here before 2025 another times 20. And the reality is that we just don't want to get delisted. You know, GOEV does not want to get delisted from the Nasdaq because they did not reverse split. You know, they were getting a notice because they're below $1. And I mean, it doesn't look better for me. Like, I get it, like 43% up, it was cool and whatnot on Friday, but ultimately, like, the whole week was still down 64%. So the likelihood of the price reaching and making new lows is through the roof. I'm not saying that this, I mean, obviously it's possible, but I'm just not a big fan on the long side as of right now. But if we start breaking above 180 something, then yeah, maybe. But because everything is possible, you know, it's the stock market, come on. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.